it takes a few minutes, but we'll get it.
Bro, careful, don't break his leg.
Nope.
Feet.
No, we won't. You gotta have years of. You start off with removing sticks out of the net, then you can take these big birds out.
Look at that.
Memorize these. Oh, I could borrow your pen?
Yes, you can.
Don't bite it. You did it, didn't you? Let go. Okay.
What's the 4-digit for that?
NOCA. Northern Curve.
This guy, you know?
It falls between.
If this were after hatching,
Oh, yeah, fine.
it'd be black. Nobody's gone swimming in the pond yet?
Okay, so does that indicate anything? Not really, except we want to say we're okay, okay, this is, so this is a national, but again, it's images. It doesn't have the bright yellow underneath, which an adult male would have, nor does it have.
Keep it during this
The feet on that one,
Well,
a big giveaway?
Okay, good.
Good.
So what you're going to do is you're just going to hold your hand out like this. Yep. And then
you launch the bird?
yes, I have many times. And I've only been here twice. So, yeah. So you might feel a little tickle from the bird's feet and the bird will just like crouch down and then fly off of your hand. Okay? So
Turn around.
yeah, you face this way near the woods, and then he'll put the bird on your hand. Be sure to keep your hand flat and straight.
Lift your hand up. And up. Ready? Hold still. The sparrow is going to go. Hold your hand steady. Keep it up in the air. Don't drop it.
Oh, good. That
Went
was a
fast,
good one.
didn't he?
Yeah. Look.
Okay, take the shoulder pull.
So you turn this way, okay?
What do you say when you got
And
control?
point your hand towards the
Okay.
woods.
That's
Great.
perfect.
It's gonna tickle. Good job.
Back to
I
you.
love it.
Okay, real flat. Okay, and it's gonna tickle. You ready? I'm gonna set this birdie down. Don't close your fingers, and it's gonna fly off. You ready? Don't close your fingers. Ready? What? Bye-bye.
Is that cool? Where's
Did
the
you
bird
feel
go?
it? Did it tickle?